So, good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you're fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, as from today onwards, we will be doing online classes. And in class 6, Socrates, Geography Chapter 7 has been already been taught and it is over. In class 6, Aristotle, Geography Chapter 7 was going on explanation. But now the explanation will be going together as it is the online class for this reason that the of this Socrates and the Aristotle both the sections are doing one classes only of the social as class 6 chapter 7 of geography is not over. So for this reason I'll be teaching the chapter 7 for the class 6 Socrates. It will be a revision, and for class 6 Aristotle they will learn the chapter. Let us start without wasting time, and our topic of the chapter is physiographic divisions of India. What we will learn in this chapter is about the location and the extent of India, India's neighbors, administrative divisions of India, physiographic divisions of India. In the first step, you can see here names of which places in India comes to your mind when you think of the following: hills, plain, desert, plateaus, island. So there are different kind of names which come when we think of the different parts of the India. Okay. So in the previous chapter, you must have worked on the project on plate tectonics. And the previous chapter, yes, I have already explained about the tectonics. Yes, there are different kinds of plates are there down of the earth, which holds the land. And when the movement of the plate will become, then only what happens? There is an earthquake. Yes, and there's are the plane. These hills are changing. Formation of the mountains are there. Okay, formation of the rivers are there. This all happens due to why? Due to the tectonic movement, tectonic plates movement, due to the earthquake. So you would have realized that we can explain the structure of the earth crust and many related phenomena with the help of the plate tectonics. If it states that the rigid lithospheric plate or the continental plate moves slowly over the underlying plate mantle, causing the phenomenon such as the formation of geological structures, earthquake, etc. The physical form of the India is a result of the collision of the two plates, that is the Angara land and the Gondwana land. Let us study about the physical form of the India in detail. See, if you study about the continental drift theory, nearly about, you can say, 10,000s of millions of years ago, okay, the continent, how many continents we are having? We are having 7 continents. Okay, and with which continent we are in? We are in the Asia. Okay, this is the largest continent in the world. So as we know that we are in the Asia continent, before time, the all the continents were grouped together. Okay, and it was known as what? One, and there was one only what? There was ocean was there. Okay, there was only one ocean was there. Then they got separated, and two continent was formed. That is Gondwana and the Laurasia. Earlier there was Panthalassa. Okay, there was one continent only. Panthalassa was there, and after that they got separated. Okay, they had a one for ocean called Tatsi. Tatsi was there. Okay, later on now we are having with the arts, as you know that the earth, the movement of the earth, which causes the collision or the formation of the new continent. Okay, we are not sure we are having 7 continents now. In the future, if we should pray to God that there should not be any kind of formation of new continent, otherwise a very big earthquake will come, right? Location and the extent of India. India lies to the South Asia and is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. It covers a total area of 3.28 million square kilometer of the total world surface area. It is also the second most populous country after China. India lies in the northern hemisphere. Its latitudinal extent is between 8 degree now north and the 37-degree north, and longitudinal extent is 68-degree east and 97-degree east. The mainland of India extends from Ladakh in the north and the Kanyakumari in the south, that is 3,214 kilometers, and from Gujarat in the east to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So what is written here is that you see that longitude and the latitude. You know only that what is longitude and latitude. Yes, the long lines which are there on the earth, which are not real line. Okay, these all are imaginary line. These all are not real line. These are imaginary line because the longitude and latitude help us to find the distance. Okay, the longitude and latitude help us to find the distance. These are the line which are drawn. Okay, so one second, I'll show you one thing. So here you see the long lines which will be in this way. Okay, in this way it will be on the earth only. You can see this long line. This is what called longitude, and latitude will be in this way. Okay, this will be in this way. Understood? Latitude will be in this way, which help us to form the my lines are not straight. Then also you can understand at least. So from here you can take out the longitude and latitude. This is what the longitude and this is what the latitude is. This longitude and latitude help us to find the distance. Okay, this longitude and latitude help us to find the distance. So this together will help us, to locate the places. Next, the Himalayan separates India from the rest of the Asian land masses. India, along with the Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh, form the Indian subcontinent. You see, the subcontinent, that is the smaller one. Okay, that is the division of the continent. We are this Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. We are in one region, one same plane. Okay, India is surrounded by the water on the three sides, as you know that the peninsula. Yes or no? If you see, India is a peninsular plateau. So, if we say about the peninsular plateau, what you will understand? You see here, down of the lower part of the India, you will get like this, right? Lower part of the India, you will get like this, and this side, this side, and this side, water is there. This side you will get what? The Arabian Sea. Yes. This side you will get what? Arabian Sea. And this side will be what? The Bay of Bengal. Okay. So two sides are there, and this side you will get what? The this side Sri Lanka is there, right? Sri Lanka is what country? And here will be little dot you can get here. Okay. Here you can get little dot here. Yes or no? Yes, little bit dot you will get here. And this side also the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands are there. Okay. So you see this side also water and this side is also water. Three sides fully covered with the water. This side and this side. The three sides are fully covered with the water. For this reason it is called what? Peninsula. Okay. India is surrounded by water, the three sides only. To the west side, this side, the Arabian Sea is there. And to the east side, the Bay of Bengal. And to the south, it is the Indian Ocean is there. South means this side. Okay. This side, you will get the Indian Ocean. This whole together is connected with what? Indian Ocean. Understood? This hold together like in the with the Bay of Bengal, Brahmaputra is connected with the Bay of Bengal. This side, Mumbai side, you will get what? The Arabian Sea. Okay. The massive east to west longitudinal extent is about 29 degree, which is equivalent to the 2 hours. To avoid any confusion in the calculating local times, okay, the 82 degree 30, that is bar towards the east meridian, which runs midway through the India, has been chosen as the standard meridian. Local time at this meridian is known as the Indian Standard Time. It is 5.5 hours ahead GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. The location of India is very strategic. It helps us India is carrying out the trade through both land and sea. The 7,516 kilometer long coastline, including islands, provide it the many natural harbors. Now listen. See that we have got the standard time. Standard time means equal time, which help us to find the, like for example, now we can see that the time is 12:10 or 12:08. Okay. Now time is what? 12:10. As you, in Balpita, it is 12:10. In other places also 12:10. In whole over India, it is what? 12:10 only. Means we got a one standard time, a specific time. In Delhi also it's 12:10. Means in whole India, we are following one time only. What is the reason that we are following uniform time? Though you should know that in Northeast, this in India, Northeast is the first state to receive the sunlight. Okay, sun rises much earlier than the other states. Like for example, the sun rises in during the winter season. We can see only outside that 5:30 to 5:45 sun rises during the winter season. But in Delhi, that side, even 7 o'clock sunrise will become 7 o'clock, 6:30. Okay, nearly about 7, between 6:30 to 7, the sun rises there. So the difference between here, this place, that is the northeast to Delhi, is about how many hours? You can see only that 5:30 rises here and 7 to 7:30 rises there. 2 hours difference are there. So we are what? 2 hours more advanced is there. But we are following what? Standard time. What is the reason? Because in order to avoid confusions. Understood? So in order to avoid confusions, we are using this standard time. India's neighbors are there. India shares its boundary with the seven country. To its north lies Afghanistan, China, and Nepal. To the west, northwest lies Pakistan. To its northeast lies Bhutan. To its east lies Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Also to the south lies Sri Lanka and the Maldives. The Park Strait separates India from Sri Lanka. Okay, we'll get Park State there. You got the dot there. No? These are the Park States there. Okay, administrative divisions of the India. India, owing to the size, has politically divided into 28 states and the 9 union territories for better administration. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. In terms of area, the largest state is Rajasthan, and the smallest state of India is Goa. Telangana is the 28th state of India. It covered the carved out Andhra Pradesh in June 2004. In Telangana is the new district, which was new state, which was formed in the year 2014. It was cut it from the this Andhra Pradesh, and the Telangana is a new state, which was formed in the year 2014. Physiographic divisions of the India. If you talk about the physiographic divisions of the India, India is endowed with a variety of the landforms. India mainly divided into 5 physiographic divisions that are northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, Peninsula Plateau, coastal plains, and islands are there. So let us know about the northern mountains. If you speak about the northern mountains, we can see this map only. This picture you can see here. Yes, the northern mountains, the pictures you can see here. Okay. This all are Himalayan mountains are there. Okay. So the along with the entire northern boundary of India lies the arc-shaped chain of the mountain. This mountain emerged from the Pamir North in the Central Asia. From this north, several mountain ranges. From this north, the several mountain ranges are runs in all directions. These are the highest mountain ranges in the world. From here rise three parallel ranges of the Yongfold. This is called Karakoram, Ladakh, and the Himalaya. Please see this mountain, the northern mountain. This map you see first. In there, the Ladakh range you can see here. Okay, in the map only you can see the Ladakh range. Okay, in the map you can see the Ladakh range here. Yes. Okay, in here the Ladakh mountain is there. Okay, down of the Ladakh you can get the Jaskar range. Down of the Jaskar range you get the Panjal range. Shivalik range you can get there. Kailas range. You heard about the Kailas mountains. Okay, so then again Pamir Hindkush. Okay, this side that the our northeast side, if you come, then Black Mats you will get, then Dafla Hills, okay, Mikir Hills, that is Khasi Chentia Hills, Garo Hills you will get there. This side you will get the Garo Hills, okay. So in the Shillong is situated in which hill? It is in Khasi Chentia Hill, okay, in Meghalaya. Meghalaya, if you go, then you will get the Garo Hill and the Jaintia Hill, both you will get there. That is Garo and Khasi Jaintia Hill you will get. But the Shillong is situated in the Khasi Jaintia Hills. Okay, I know that you have babies, so mostly of you have visited there. Okay, this mountain ranges emerge from the Pamir North. As I have told, these are the Yongfold Mountains. Why it is called Yongfold? Because it is believed that it is newly formed earlier, nearly about 5,000 years ago. The world's second highest mountain peak, that is K2 or Gondwin Austrian, lies in the Karakoram range. The famous Karakoram Pass and Siachen Glacier, world's second longest non-polar glacier, are located here. You see that the Karakoram range. You got the Karakoram range, I think so. The Karakoram range is in here. You see, I'll show you. The Karakoram range is in here. You can see, right? The Karakoram range here. You can get it. Okay. So towards the south, the Karakoram range lies Ladakh. You got there. Okay, and the Janskar ranges also you got. They run from the northwest direction to the southwest direction. The river Indus flows through these ranges towards the south. The Ladakh range lies the Himalayas. Okay, the Himalayas extend from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east, covering about 24,000 kilometers. The Himalayas consist of the three mountain ranges run parallel to each other: the Himadri, the Himachal, and the Shivalik. Okay, the three mountains we will get there. Next class we will understand about the greater Himalayas or the Himadri. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.